Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create business finance drama balance using lighting effects in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and load an image that already feels serious. I duplicate the layer first. Now I open lighting effects and carefully increase contrast through light placement. I stop here because finance visuals should never feel too dramatic. I reduce intensity and soften shadows. I zoom in to check important business finance areas. I zoom out and feel the emotional balance. Now I add business finance text and place it calmly. The final visual feels confident without pressure. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing and let your creativity speak louder